Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on settings. You just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. So it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on notifications here. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on security. So then you come here to push, clicking this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here security notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.